Let's cut the crap, shall we, and just get straight into today's video. So today's video is going to be about motivation. Yay! Motivation. Yeah, motivation. So I've got 3 tips for you guys. If you do enjoy this video, guys, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe down below if you're new, and also hit that bell notification as I do post every Tuesday and Thursday. So let's go straight into today's video. My number 1 tip for today's video is be yourself. Now, this is the number 1 tip of advice that I can give you, but not only is it to be yourself, but not give a crap about what everyone thinks about you. Everyone's out here trying to impress other people, trying to be like other people, whereas if you're yourself, people will like you for you, and the people that do like you for you will stay with you, and the people that don't like you for you, well, I think you just need to cut ties with them at the end of the day, because that's just not healthy if people are just hating on you for being yourself. So you need to get rid of them people. My second bit of advice is don't sweat the small stuff. Now this means basically don't keep your eyes focused on all the small things that are going on in your life and what everyone else is doing, and set focus on your own goals in life and what you want to achieve, because people waste too much time and energy hating on other people having a life that you want or a better life than you have. But why waste all that time and energy on hating on someone when you can waste that time and energy on actually benefiting yourself and doing something for your life and making it 10 times better than it is now, and actually just acting towards something and achieving something in life that you want to achieve. So yeah, that's my second bit of advice. Should I call these moving around shots? That's because, you know, I can't be asked to sit downstairs and just talk bluntly to a camera, so I'd rather move around and have all these different shots to keep you guys interested there. My third piece of advice is basically love yourself before you love anyone else. That means you basically, it's not all bad being alone. You've got time to invest in yourself. You've got time to learn about yourself and make slight little improvements that no one knows, that you know deep down. And it also helps you to find out who you really are and what you want out of life. Because you can't really, if you don't love yourself, how do you expect to love another person? So yeah, you've got to really learn to love yourself before you can love another. So think about it this way, we all are alive on this earth and we all die on this earth at one point in life. We're all going to die. It is what it is. Sad to say it, but we are all going to die. So why don't you just live a life that you want to live? And that may be full of money. You might want to gain a lot of money, or you might just want to gain a lot of experiences in life and enjoy that. And why not enjoy the life that you have left with your friends and family and gain new experiences and go around the world, go traveling, make a lot of money if you want to make a lot of money, and just do all these things, because you don't know when it's going to be the last day. No one knows when it's going to be your last day, so why don't you live every day like it is your last and actually have fun and experience life, rather than just being, I don't know, sat inside all day and not doing anything with your life and not doing anything with your day. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe down below if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Super.